I have not experienced the slightest feeling that, you see, I'm a Catholic and he's a Hindu. He has never given scope to never given me a chance to feel that I am, sort of belonging to the minority or something. No, he's never given. I would also give him credit to taking up, for example, who are the major aggrieved people with this Portuguese passport issue are primarily the Catholics, minority. He has taken up the issue in right earnest, and I'm confident he will come out with a solution. He will definitely work out a solution with Government of India. He's had meetings. I was present for a meeting. After that, he has had meetings with the Home Minister. So he is aware, he's conscious of the issue, and it is his wish to resolve the issue. I was asked some time back, why did I go to Ayodhya? I went to Ayodhya along with the Chief Minister. Well, I definitely believe we are living in a secular nation, and I would also ask you, why does the Chief Minister, why do you expect the Chief Minister then to attend attend our Goinso Sahib feast? He's there every year. Earlier Chief Ministers were there also.